Hey guys, welcome to my tutorials. Today we are going to learn some interesting concept. Okay, this video is for them who don't know the PLC programming, who want to learn it. Okay, just today we are going to see how to program, okay, GT designer screens for particular HMIs, and how to interface them simulating, okay, and dump the program in PLC. Okay, this is GT designer, and one more is GX developer, that is GX works. Okay, both software we have to open it. Today I'm going to show you both the concept, like how to without using the actual HMI, how to design the screen and simulate with the real-time PLC. Okay, you can use it as a in computer like a SCADA type. That is the alternative solution. But one kind request to all the viewers who are going to see this video, the whatever video I create, it takes a time. I need to edit it and put it in a YouTube channel. It requires some effort. Okay, for that effort, my kind request to you guys that you have to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the further videos notifications, and don't forget to like. Okay, just I'm requesting, if you if this video is useful for you, you just like it. Okay, here I will create one new program. I'm going to use FX3GE 24M PLC. So FX3G series I will select, and ladder program. In this SFC and ladder, both options are there. Okay, we'll develop using a ladder program. Here until it opens, we'll check it out. Like GT designer, we can create a new project. Here are some concept you have to get it clear. First thing that, okay, and display new wizard. This wizard is very helpful for you to create a new project, because by custom operations we will not get to know the exact sequence. Okay, whichever PLC, whichever screen you want to get, you can get it. I'm going to select a GT 16-inch, that is 640 by 480, and this color setting I'm going to keep it as it is. And here Mitsubishi manufacturer products we are going to use. You can use other also. Okay, if you are using any other uh, products like HMI, okay, you can use any other also. And here I'm going to select FX, which controller I'm going to use. Okay, because for this GT designer means whatever Mitsubishi HMIs you are going to use, you can use other controller also to communicate with this. Okay, the standard communication is, I'm going to select RS232. This communication is nothing but this is the actual communication between the PLC and this thing HMI. Okay, here Melsec FX communication driver I'm going to use. Here you can see multi drop slave. I'm not going to use that. Okay, and click next. Here are the screens. Okay, how many screens you want to have? Base screen is the landing screen where it is visible, and further screens, if you want to design, you can have the screens over there. And click next and finish it out. Okay, let's see the screens over here. It will be visible. Okay, now if you go through this, you will get the screens. Okay, and here is the front front back. Okay, this is the screen. And now let's move towards the GX developer, that is GX works. Okay, I'm going to develop one simple program, that is M0. I will use as a memory bit for triggering the input. We cannot trigger the input. Okay, input address like x0 x1, if I use, I cannot use that. Okay, because that will be controlled through the hardware. In simulation we cannot control x0 and x1 those input addresses. Okay, simple dual starter program I'm going to do. Output coil I will select y0, I'll get it, and one parallel contact, that is this thing, and we have to convert it. Like F4 by pressing the F4. Okay, and next here you can see build the program, that is F4. Okay, rebuild all also we can do. After this, just the thing is that you have to go to online. Okay, write to PLC. If we select this, we will get one wizard there where we can select the communication parameters, whatever PLC communications we are going to use and all. Here I will select all. Okay, whatever, if any comments are there, all the things I'm going to select. Okay, before that, one more thing I'll show. Right, remote operation. It is not like, okay, here it is been selected already. Let me show you that compile. Okay, verify with PLC. Okay, just select all, execute. Here it will ask for, just we'll check out this camera footage. Okay, it is extra light. Okay, just a second. Okay, this is done. Now we'll go to program. Just we have to go to online, and I wanted to show you where we can do the communication setting, but write to PLC. Before this, it will ask for the settings. Okay, where we are going to select a USB port or RS232 port. Okay, just I'll select parameter plus program and execute it. It will write. Okay, here you can see. Let me show you. Just a second. Here you can see this is power mode, run mode. It is in run mode. Okay, it is asking to put it in a stop mode. Okay, here if I'll select, run mode will be turned off. Okay, once if it is done, it will, okay, again it will start to run mode. Okay, once if it is done, the program is done. We'll try to check this program by putting it in start mode, start monitoring. Now here we can see it is done. Okay, to trigger this input, okay, here I am going to select this input, that M0 I am going to select and press shift and enter. Okay, Y0 is turned on. If I trigger this, I have to release it also. Okay, it is turned off. Okay, let's interface this with the GT designer. Okay, here what I will select, just I am going to select one bit switch. Here lots of options are there, options been given, bit switch, word switch. If we are using any word bits, okay, directly I can select bit switch and draw it by holding shift key. If you draw, it will give you the design like this. Okay, double click on this style and text, you will be having okay, text, display text like start, I'll put it, and action, style, everything will be there. Okay, it is a bit. Okay, here I will select M0. One more thing, let me show you. Here if I select directly bit switch, okay, if I draw it here, double click on it, here I'll get the device details directly. Okay, M0 is the bit which I'm going to use, and text I'm going to put it as start. Okay, and one more button I need to create, I will copy this and paste it. Just I need to select, double click on this, change the address, that is M1, and text I need to change M0, sorry, stop. Okay, everything you can change, like on click how it is visible. Okay, on touch off, touch on, how it is visible, text alignment, color, everything you can set over here. Okay, I'll click OK, and next I will take one bit lamp. Okay, simply I will draw one lamp, double click on it, I'll take one lamp, double click on it, we'll get both the options, off and on. On you can change color also. Okay, you can take it as green, and here output address is Y0, and it is text you can select it as lamp on. Okay, lamp on. Here in off position you can select it as lamp off. I think both are on. Lamp, just I'll put it lamp. Okay, next this is the major part where we are deciding how it will be communicating. Okay, GX simulator, CPU, USB, directly CPU it will communicate. I have to select this to CPU and this Melsec FX and apply and click OK. If I start simulating, it will provide me this screen. Okay, you can design this screen a little bit much better than this. Okay, the simulation begins. Please confirm connection with PLC. I'll click OK. Now it will show me the GT design over here. Okay, it will show me the screen of this start and stop bit. I think some error it is giving. Let me check with this. Okay, actually this setting we have to change, like how it will be communicating with this. Okay, here we'll go to simulator setup, and I think I have connected connection selected CPU. So USB I will select, because when we select CPU it will ask for the COM port. Okay, so I have to select USB. If we are using any simulator, okay, whenever we are running this simulator over here, it will give me this screen of simulator. Okay, that simulator we have to select over here. Okay, directly without PLC and HMI also we can simulate for learning purpose. Okay, I have selected USB and click OK. Just I have to start simulator. Now it will provide me the direct link to the PLC. Okay, let's check with this here. Okay, until it generates, let me show you the program over here also. Okay, now you can see here M0 is in offset, Y0 is in offset. Okay, if I click start, it will take a little bit time. Lamp is on. Here you can select the check the program over here. Okay, everything will see on a single stop. When I press this is a bit switch, instantly it will work. So now you can see here everything is working fine. Let me take this screen to here. Okay, because we are simulating, in a sense it will take little bit time to transfer the signal, but in actual it will be working very fast, because directly we are communicating HMI and PLC together, and it will work as fine. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, and in next video I am going to show you how to design this screen very nicely, and analog input how we can read here, okay, in this HMI. But for that I must get the subscription from every viewers. I can see most of the viewers only watching it, and not watching completely also, but if you subscribe and like this video, and it will be very helpful for us, because of I was not updating in a COVID time, so my channel is blocked. My kind request to all the viewers who are going to watch this video, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friends who all need this information. They can learn the PLC programming. And thank you once again. See you again.